Hello everybody, this video is focused on labelling a number line made with Numicon with the numbers 0 to 20. So to be able to join in with this video you will need two things. You'll need your set of Numicon. You might have a pack like this made of laminated paper ones, or you might have the actual Numicon shapes. And the other thing you will need is a set of number cards from 0 to 20. Those two things are what you need. There is a task to do before we start the video, and that is to make a number line from 1 to 20 with your Numicon shapes. So you should have those. If you've got a pack like mine, you should have exactly the shapes you need in there. Make that, pause the video first, go and make that, and then continue with the video, and we'll work on labelling it with our number cards then. Okay, you need to go and do that now. Thank you. Hopefully you've made your growing number line to 20 like mine in front of you. Let's just count it together to make sure we've got it correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You should have your number cards here in front of you. If you haven't got them, stop the video now and go and find them. Okay, if you've got your number cards, spread them out just in front of you, because what we're going to do is match our numbers to our number line that we've made with our Numicon shapes. So first of all, I'm going to find this one, the 0. Now, I haven't got a 0 on my number line because all of these pieces represent a number. 0 or nothing. We haven't got anything. There's none. I'm going to put that one right at the beginning here, just before the 1 piece. Now I'm looking for the number 1. It is. I'm going to match these ones here to the number line. 1, 2. See if you can find them with me. Here's my piece. 1, 2, 3. Just checking. Check that piece. 3 holes. I need to find the number 3. Make sure you put them the right way around. Then we're going to find the 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8, and 9, and 10. Now, there's my 10 piece. Now that part you probably would have been able to do quite easily because you will be very familiar with your numbers to 10 already. So now we've got the rest of our number line to label. Now, if we have a look at we need the number for 11. So we've got here 1 10 piece and the number 1 more. So the number I need to find is this one, 11. It has a 1 for 1 10 and 1 more. There's 11. Now let's have a look at these pieces and see if we can find which number it will be. So we've got 1 10 and 2. So I'm going to be looking for a number that's got a 1 and a 2. Let me see in my pile. Here we go. 1 10 and 2. 1 10 and 2. That makes 12. Now, what have I got here? Have a look at this one. I've got 1 10 and I've got 3 for 13. So I need to find the number 13. 1 10 and 3. Here it is. 1 10 and 3. 13. 13. Now, here's my 14. I need to find the number. I've got 1 10 and 4. So I need to find the number 14. It needs a 1 10 and 4. There you go. 1 10 and 4. 14. This one here is my 15. Remember? 15. So 1 10 and a 5 piece. Here we go. 1 10 and a 5, 15. 15. Next one is 16. So I've got 1 10 and 6. So I need to find 1 and 6. 16. 1 and 6. 16. 1 10 and 6. 16. Now I'm going to find 17. 1 10 and 7. It is. Now I need to find 18. 18. I'm going to find, I've got 1 10 and 8. So I need the 1 and the 8. 18. Nearly there. 1, 10 and 9 makes 19. So I'm going to find the one with a 1 and a 9 for 19. And last of all here, I've got 2 10s, but I haven't got any more at the top, just 2 10s. So I've got my 2 for 20 and my 0, which would make 20. So no more, no extras. I've also got one other number card here, which is 21. I'm going to add that one just on the end here, because that one will go next. That will be 2 10s and 1 more. Now, while we're here, let's say all of those number names again, and just make sure that we've got everything matching and correct. So let's start from here. I'm going to start this time with 0, because that's always a good place to start when we're counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you can practice doing this with your numbers that are in your pack. If you've got a pack of Numicon and some number cards, you can practice doing those again and again and again. It is just practice, so you need to do it lots of times. Give yourself a big space and try making all the numbers and then matching the cards to go with them. Okay, off you go.